Federal prison inmates across the U.S. are required to quarantine in their cells for 14 days. The Federal Bureau of Prisons released information on their website saying that this is effective today. They say it's in response to the number of, quote, isolation cases across the U.S. The BOP website has a tracker on its homepage. The number of positive cases and inmates nationally is at 57, and for staff, 37. Terre Haute houses the only federal death row facility in the U.S. Currently, there are no confirmed cases at the facility locally. However, we talked with a local union representative who says there are several symptomatic inmates who have been tested. They're still awaiting those results. He says the inmates are still being transferred between facilities.
This is good for a start. We're hoping that the Bureau of Prisons sees that this is the right direction to go, and if they need to even go a little bit farther and maybe do a full lockdown. It's all about safety of staff. That's our number one concern. And obviously our staff go home to their families and to the community. If we're asking the general public to stay home, not move, not travel, why are we transferring inmates from symptomatic parts of the country to areas that are not as heavily hit?
We talked with Marco last week, who said the Terre Haute prison was having issues being able to implement PPE like N95 masks despite having them. But this week, things seem to be changing. Staff were fitted for the masks, and he expects easier access to use them.